Have you ever wondered how plants survive in the harshest of conditions where survival seems impossible? In the unseen world of plants, survival is not just about sun and rain. It's a tale of resilience, adaptation, and downright ingenuity. Let's take a journey into the lives of some of nature's most fascinating green inhabitants. Consider the humble cactus, standing tall in the scorching heat of the desert. It's a place where water is as rare as a cool breeze, yet here the cactus thrives. How, you might wonder? The secret lies in its thick, fleshy stems. These are not just structural supports, but water storage tanks. The cactus drinks up the rare rainfall, storing it within its body to sustain itself during the long, dry spells. This remarkable ability to store water is a lifesaver in an environment where every drop counts. Now let's shift our gaze to the more sinister side of the plant world. The Venus flytrap, a carnivorous plant, has adapted to a diet far from the photosynthetic norm. In nutrient-poor soils, where most plants would struggle, the Venus flytrap has found a different source of sustenance: insects. Its leaves have evolved into a deadly trap, snapping shut on unsuspecting prey. The insect is then digested, providing the nutrients the plant needs to survive. It's a chilling reminder of the lengths plants will go to ensure their survival. From the arid deserts to nutrient-starved swamps, plants have devised extraordinary strategies to thrive in their respective environments. They have shown us that life in all its forms is about adaptation and resilience. So, plants devise extraordinary strategies to ensure their survival. But what about animals? Do they also have their own set of unique adaptations? Stay tuned as we delve into the hidden gems of the animal kingdom. Animals, like plants, inhabit a wide variety of environments. But how do they adapt to these environments? Let's delve into some of the animal kingdom's hidden gems to find out. Take the Arctic fox, for instance. This nimble creature has perfected the art of camouflage to a T. Its fur changes color according to the seasons, from a snowy white in winter to a brownish gray in summer. This color-shifting ability provides the fox with an excellent disguise against predators and also helps it sneak up on unsuspecting prey. This is not just a fashion statement, but a crucial adaptation for survival. In contrast, the cheetah banks on speed, not stealth. It is the fastest land animal, reaching speeds of up to 75 miles per hour. The cheetah's slender body and large nasal passages allow for faster oxygen intake, fueling those powerful muscles for high-speed chases. This incredible speed, combined with an uncanny ability to accelerate, makes the cheetah a formidable predator on the African plains. Then there's the tardigrade, a micro-animal often called a water bear or moss piglet. Don't let its cute names fool you. The tardigrade is one of the most resilient creatures on Earth. It can survive extreme temperatures, pressures, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. This astounding resilience is due to its ability to enter a state of cryptobiosis, essentially shutting down its metabolic processes until conditions improve. These are just a few examples of the extraordinary adaptations found in the animal kingdom. From the depths of the oceans to the heights of the skies, animals have evolved unique ways to survive and thrive. Some rely on speed, others on strength, stealth, or resilience. Each adaptation is a testament to the power of evolution and the intricate balance of life on Earth. Indeed, the animal kingdom is filled with remarkable adaptations that allow its members to thrive in their respective habitats. So, the next time you marvel at an animal's unique trait, remember it's not just fascinating, it's a survival strategy honed over millions of years. Now, let's delve deeper into the world of plants and uncover some of the most unusual species on Earth. First up is the corpse flower, or the Titan arum. This plant has a name as strange as its characteristics. The corpse flower is infamous for its horrible smell, often compared to rotting meat. Why such a terrible odor, you might ask? Well, it's all part of the plant's survival strategy. This stink isn't to deter predators or annoy humans, but to attract pollinators. Insects that feed on dead animals or lay their eggs there are drawn in by the smell, and in the process they help the corpse flower to reproduce. Sounds gross, but it's an incredible example of how plants adapt to ensure their survival. Next on our list is the Welwitschia mirabilis, a plant that seems to defy the very laws of nature. Native to the Namib Desert, one of the driest places on Earth, this plant thrives where most life forms would shrivel up and die. Welwitschia has only 2 leaves that grow continuously throughout its life, which can be up to 2,000 years. That's right, 2,000 years. These leaves absorb moisture from the fog that rolls in from the Atlantic Ocean, providing the plant with the water it needs to survive in the harsh desert environment. It's a testament to nature's creativity and resilience. From a flower that smells like a corpse to a plant that can live for 2 millennia, these unusual plants highlight the incredible diversity of life on our planet. They've each found their own unique ways to adapt to their environments, proving that life, no matter how strange, finds a way to endure. These unusual plants demonstrate the diversity and resilience of life on Earth. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, animals have adapted in ways that never cease to amaze. Let's dive into the world of some of the most unusual animals and their incredible adaptations. First on our list is the axolotl, a peculiar amphibian native to Mexico. This creature looks like it stepped right out of a fantasy novel, with external gills that resemble feathery headdresses. But it's not just their looks that make them extraordinary. Axolotls are known for their remarkable ability to regenerate. They can regrow not just their limbs, but also their heart, liver, and even parts of their brain. No wonder they are often referred to as the Mexican walking fish. These guys are real-life superheroes. Next, let's travel to the extreme environments of the world, where we'll find the tardigrade. Also known as water bears or moss piglets, these tiny creatures, barely visible to the naked eye, are practically indestructible. Imagine an animal that can survive in the vacuum of space, endure temperatures as low as -272 degrees Celsius, and withstand pressures 6 times greater than those found in the deepest ocean trenches. That's the tardigrade for you, demonstrating an awe-inspiring resilience that can put any science fiction character to shame. Then there's the leafy sea dragon, an underwater marvel that has taken camouflage to a whole new level. Native to the waters of Australia, these creatures resemble floating seaweed, making them nearly invisible to predators. This unique adaptation allows them to survive in the open ocean, proving that sometimes the best defense is simply to blend in. These strange creatures remind us of the endless variety and resilience of life on this planet. They show us that adaptation is the key to survival, and that nature, in its infinite wisdom, always finds a way. Each of these animals, in their own unique way, continues to redefine our understanding of life's possibilities, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. The world of unusual plants and animals is truly fascinating, isn't it? Let's take a moment to revisit some of the remarkable life forms we've explored today. In the realm of plants, we witnessed the Rafflesia arnoldi, the world's largest flower, which emits a putrid odor to attract carrion flies for pollination. Then the carnivorous Venus flytrap, which traps and digests insects for essential nutrients. And who could forget the Puya raymondii, a plant that takes up to 100 years to bloom, only to die shortly after. Then we delved into the animal kingdom, encountering the axolotl, a salamander that retains its juvenile aquatic form throughout its life. We met the glass frog, with its transparent belly that reveals its inner workings. And of course, the tardigrade, a microanimal that can survive in extreme conditions, even outer space. Each of these life forms has developed peculiar adaptations, allowing them to survive and thrive in their respective environments. The Rafflesia's stench, the Venus flytrap's carnivorous diet, the Puya raimondi's patience, the axolotl's eternal youth, the glass frog's transparency, and the tardigrade's resilience, they all tell a story of survival against the odds. These adaptations are not merely fascinating quirks, they are testament to life's tenacity, its ability to persist, adapt, and flourish even in the harshest conditions. They remind us that life is not a static entity, but a dynamic, evolving force, constantly reshaping itself to meet the challenges of its environment. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? That these plants and animals, in their strange and wonderful ways, are reflections of life's enduring adaptability. They embody the principle that life, in all its forms, finds a way to survive, to continue to exist. As we marvel at these unique life forms, we realize that adaptation is the key to survival. It's a constant reminder of the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth.